We are the Students for the Exploration and Development of Space, or SEDS at UW, a new chapter of the national organization composed of students from all different majors and all walks of life. We work on projects. Our current flagship project is the SEDS multi-stage rocket, led by the 2021 ANA Capstone team. The SEDS multi-stage rocket was originally aimed at competing in the regional rocketry competition that challenged students to launch a 1 kilogram scientific payload to an altitude of 10,000 feet using only off-the-shelf motors. The competition has since been canceled due to COVID-19. However, the Capstone team has carried on in preparation for next year's competition. Reaching 10,000 feet has been done countless times before with a single stage, so why two? One of our team's fundamental goals is to learn as much as possible about our launch vehicle and to provide infrastructure for future generations of SEDS students looking to scale up and target much more ambitious altitude goals. To reach 10,000 feet and to meet competition requirements, our vehicle has incorporated some of the following into our design: a scientific payload that measures air pollution as a function of altitude, an accelerometer measuring the drag, and a strain gauge to monitor the vehicle's vibrations. We've included a lightweight structure made of carbon fiber that handles the compressive loads during flight with a factor of safety of 3. We have a cleverly designed 3D printed interstage coupler that houses avionics and our separation charges. We have a set of flight computers that handle staging, separation, and parachute deployment, and we also have a GPS in our nose cone for tracking. We also have a set of ripstop nylon parachutes, including a parachute for both the booster and sustainer stages, as well as a drogue parachute for the upper stage. Lastly, we have a set of ammonium perchlorate composite propellant motors that will propel the rocket to 10,000 feet. To ensure that our flight is a success, we have tested our materials. We have ran aerodynamics tests. We are planning on running vibrations tests on our payload and avionics, and we are planning on running a hot fire test to validate the thrust profile going into our trajectory analysis. We are currently in the process of manufacturing our airframes, electronics, and test stands. Despite COVID and despite multiple launch cancellations, we are carrying on to serve as the foundation for next year's competition. SEDS offers students from any major with any skill level the opportunity to apply core engineering principles on large-scale projects. Experience on such projects are invaluable in the growth and development of future engineers and space-loving humans. The ANA Capstone project is no exception. We are SEDS, and we work on projects. Ad astra per astra.